Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to look at the Unit 1, Paper 1, Environmental Science, Past Paper 2021. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Stay tuned, pay keen attention. Alright, number one goes, which of the following processes best describes the ability of an organism to live in harmony or conformity with its environment? The answer is C, adaptation. Number 2 refers to the following diagram, which represents a simple model of the nitrogen cycle. The process according to 1 is called, answer is A, nitrification. 3, which of the following interactions best describe an ecosystem? And the answer is D, the biological community members with each other and the physical environment. Number 4, which of the following are components of the hydrological cycle? The answer is B, 1 and 3, which is sea ice and tropical rainstorms. Question 5. A species with a narrow niche is called a specialist. The answer is C. Number 6. Item 6 refers to the following diagram of a simplified food chain. What percentage of energy from the grass is available to the man? And that's 1%. Number 7, predation can be of benefit to the prey because the answer is D, 1, 2, and 3. It limits the population growth due to environmental resistance. 2, selectively remove the weak, very old, and very young from the prey population. And 3, helps to control the prey population. Number 8, which of the following is not a limiting factor in the process of photosynthesis? The answer is B, oxygen. Number 9, biotic potential is best described as D. Answer is A, ability of a population to increase its size. Question 10. A certain type of marine worm lives in shells occupied by hermit crabs. When the crabs feed, the worm comes out to share the meal. This relationship is an example of commensalism. The answer is C, commensalism. Number 11, ectoparasite may be best described as organisms that. The answer is D, live on the outer surface of the host. Item 12 refers to the following pyramid of number 25, 90, 60, 140. The percentage of primary consumers in the ecosystem is. The answer is B, 19.05. And items 13 and 14 refer to the following table, which contains data obtained during the sample of playing field. The species diversity, question 13, the species diversity index for the field is 0.33. Number 14, the value of D for the field indicates that the species diversity is low. Of course, guys, when you get a big number, then you know that the species diversity is big, all right? Question 15. Item 15 refers to the following result, which were obtained by a student who investigated the density and distribution of a species of plant in grassy field using 1 meter square quadrat. The mean density of species A in field in plants per meter square is. The answer is A, 2.6. Number 16. The age structure of a population is defined as. The answer is D, the proportion of individuals in each of the different age classes. And number 17, country's gross national product per capita different from its domestic product, GDP per capita, because, and the answer is C, GNP indicates both domestic and foreign output. 18 refers to the following diagram, which represents a human population. The equation represents an unchanged population over a period of time. The answer is B. Birth plus immigration equal death plus emigration. Growth is 0, that formula. Number 19, which of the following expressions is the best definition of sustainable development? The answer is D, to meet needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Number 20. The population growth rate in developing countries is higher than those in developed countries because developing countries often have, the answer is B, 1 and 3. 1, a high fertility rate, and 3, reduced access to family planning. Number 21, the total annual production of goods and service within an economy is referred to as the gross national product. Number 22 refers to the following diagram of the demographic transition model. The increase in total population size between stage 2 and 3 is most likely caused by an improve in healthcare. Answer is A. Question 23. Although flooding of a river is potentially dangerous to humans, it is equally beneficial because it, and the answer is B, replenishes nutrient levels in floodplains. 24. Which of the following is not an abiotic factor that affects the distribution of population? And the answer is A, food. As you know, students, food is it derives from living things, so it won't be an abiotic. All right. Question 25 refers to the following histogram, which shows age structure expressed as a percentage of population for country Z. Approximately what percentage of the population in country Z is under age 15, and that is C, 24. 26. Which of the following is the best example of the efficient use of natural resources? The answer is B, recycling paper. Number 27. If the annual growth rate of a country X is 2%, then the double time in years for country X is, and the answer is A, 35 years. 28 to 29 refers to the following population pyramids for Congo 1994 and Japan 1992. Which of the following statements about the population pyramid above is true? And the answer is B, Congo has high fertility levels than Japan. 29. Which of the following may be disadvantage of the population structure of Japan? The answer is D, an eventual decline in the workforce. 30. Which of the following statements of population double time is correct? And the answer is A, Iraq has a double time of 27 years. 31. Which of the following refers to the intensive search for compound for medical value in organisms that were not previously used for such purposes? The answer is C, bioprospecting. 32. The term natural resources is best defined as, and the answer is C, useful materials and energy that are found in the environment. 33. Which of the following is most likely to occur in a forested region that has recently been cleared by cutting? The answer is D, the concentration of nutrients in streams running through the region will increase. 34. A country wants to construct a new airport. Before this is done, detailed research is undertaken to assess the likely environmental effect of this project. Which natural resource management tool best describe this approach? It is B, EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment. 35. Which of the following condition is not a requirement for coral to strive? And that's D, cloudy water. 36. Which of the following processes contributes to the protection of rare, threatened, or endangered species? And that would be D, in situ conservation. 37. Which of the following are reasons for resource conservation? And the answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Aesthetic value and 2, ethical concern. 38. The West Indian manatee is an endangered species. Some fishermen hunt the manatee and sell its meat to supplement their income. Which of the following arguments will most likely convince fishermen to stop the hunting of the manatee? And that would be C, manatee can provide a source of income for fishermen through tourism. 29 refers to the following functions of a forest. Which functions are natural functions? And I have D, 1, 2, and 3. To assist in cloud formation and hence precipitation. 2, to provide timber for the building of houses. And 3, to provide habitat for wildlife. I said the three of them. Good work, guys. If you have any other answers, you could post it in the comments. Vegetation label 2 is most likely seagrass. And number 41, which vegetation type in the coastal ecosystem help in freshwater regulation? And the answer is D, mangrove. 42, one of the role of zoo is to conserve endangered species by captive breeding. It is hoped that offspring from such program will be reintroduced into the wild. This is an example of A, ex situ conservation. All right, 43, which of the following statement about the timber export value is correct? And the answer is B, Suriname timber export value fluctuation from 2010 to 2017. So fluctuation means go up and down and up and down and up and down. 44, what is the rate of change in timber export value for Guyana between 2014 and 2016? Now, guys, rate of change. This is the formula. They want to know what's the change per year. So rate means per year or per time. So the formula would be final minus the initial divided by time. All right, so in that case, guys, we'd have to read off here. So this is the guy, and I read off here, read off down here. So here, when you read it off, guys, you should get that's what initial. That's 27 million because it's times 10,000 up here, right? So please pay no attention to that. So you get 27 million, which would be the initial, and here this is the next point. You would get 16 million. All right, you minus that, you get the negative. The growth rate is negative, as you can see, it's decreased, right? So, and then the number of time from 2014 to 2016, that's 2 years. So you divide that answer by 2, and you'll get 5,500,000 per year. And 45, in what year does Belize has its highest timber export value? And that's 2011. Okay, we're now at the end, guys. Thanks for viewing. If you have comments, please make your comments. If you have past papers, you can send them. I'm going to put an email address in my comment. You can send past papers to them, and I'll try my best to answer. Peace out.